Struggling to open or load new tab in Chrome browser on your computer? Well, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue and get back to browsing. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Close Chrome process. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from here. Now, click on the search bar and type in Chrome. Next, right-click on the Google Chrome process and select End Task from the menu. And Chrome should be closed. Now, just reopen the app and see if that helped. Solution 2. Update Chrome. To do this, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on About Chrome from the left side menu. Here, you will see that it's already checking for updates. If there are any updates, it will notify you. Just update it and check if the issue is gone. Solution 3. Reset Chrome. Open up Chrome again. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Now, before moving forward, know that going forward you will lose your logins, shortcuts, and it will also disable extensions. So keep that in mind. Next, hit the Reset Settings button. And Chrome will be resetted. Now the issue should be fixed. So that's how you fix the issue of new tabs not opening or loading in Chrome on PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.